Don't touch it. No. No, center. No. Later. Later. You can touch it later. Don't touch lagi. Nakasabot pa. Look oh, there's a lot. Jesus Christ, hindi kasabot pa. What was that? Look, what's in here? Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Beautiful Garden of Singapore. To all Singaporeans and residents of Singapore, a very warm welcome home. We would like to apologize for the late arrival of this flight. There is no time difference between Davao and Singapore. The local time now is 5 minutes past 9 in the evening with a ground temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. Your safety is important to us even though we are towards the end of the flight. You must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Please be careful when opening compartments as items may move during landing and could fall out. Please also check your seat pockets to ensure you have taken all your belongings with you. On behalf of pilots, Captain Yi, First Officer Swee Cheng and the rest of the cabin crew known as Goodies, it was a pleasure to having us today. We look forward to welcome you on board Scripted Budget arm of Singapore Airlines. Thank you and bye for now.
Singapore, Pati.